Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So I've got an unboxing to do today, and this has come to me from the lovely people at Onedaysaving.com. Yeah, they asked me if I would like to have some products to show on their channel, and they asked if I would showcase these two products for you. I said yes, of course. I've been showing their products for quite a while, and I've had some fantastic things. So yay, let's see what they've sent us this time. Right, so we have a painting that doesn't want to come out of the bag. Oh, switch it that way. Oh, a little sneaky peek there. And then we have a box. Ooh, a box in a bag. So a bag with a box in a bag. Wow, okay, that's different. I've not had one of the boxes come in a bag before, but that's okay. Right, so we'll just pop that one to one side for now, and we'll concentrate on the little painting. Just before I get started looking at this, there are lots and lots of special offers on at Onedaysaving.com at the moment. If you buy 6 items, you get 8% off. If you buy 10 items, there's 10% off. 15 items, 12% off. And 20 items, 15% off. So yeah, do go and check out those special offers. And there is also a special page that says bundle deals on it. So if you click on one of the headings that says bundle deals, and you can go, and if say there's a set of 4 paintings or a set of 3 or whatever, or your little special offers, then just go and click on that, and you tend to get quite a bit of money off. So yeah, it's always worth checking out the bundle deals that they've got as well, if you're wanting to get more than just one item in the same sort of little theme, if you know what I mean. There's also all the cross-stitch ones as well. I did have a quick flick through and have a look to see what paintings and what things there were available on the bundles. And as I say, there's some really good deals, and yeah, diamond painting and cross-stitch as well. Right, let's have a look at this little cutie. We had a sneak peek of it just as it came out the bag. So, oh, I can see we've got crystal codes and gem codes as well on this one. This is going to make kitting down a little bit easier. And she is, oh, look at that. It's a little purple flower fairy. Oh, and she's asleep. Oh, she looks so peaceful. How cute is that? Right in the middle of a flower. Oh, she's gorgeous. All in lovely purple and lilac-y colours. Let's give her a quick flatten. She is a special drill, and she is a part. It's only where the numbers and letters are that you will actually be putting any gems. So quite a nice, quick and easy one to do. It's only a 30 by 30, so it will work up quite quickly, albeit there are quite a few gems, you know, going around the wings and on the flowers and everything as well. So probably an hour, 2 hours maybe to do this one. But yeah, I do love my specials because they sparkle and shine and they make me smile. Look at that. So she's all matching in these lovely purple colours, matching in with the flower, so nobody can see that she's there. Now, I'm not quite sure whether that's a bubble. It's maybe a hair. I was thinking, is that the moon? But no, I don't think it is. I think that is her hair. That, yeah, she's got in like a little bun that's just on the top of her head that seems really popular at the moment. There's a lot of people wearing buns on the top of their head. Not buns as in sweet buns that you eat. I mean like a hair bun. You know what I mean. So yeah, and then she's got all little teeny tiny flowers on her headdress there as well. Oh, but look how serene she looks. And look at her little toes and her little feet and her little fingers there as well. Oh, that is so cute. So yeah, she's a little fairy in a flower. Oh, that's absolutely gorgeous. She must be very, very small, because I don't think the flowers are that big, are they? Either that or it's a most enormous flower with a little girl sat in the middle of it. Right, we've got our pen, boat and wax, our standard little toolkit. Oh, a dark green boat, that's a different one. And we are all crystals and special shapes, and I can see some hot pink flowers. Wow. So we've got 11 different gems and colours, and as I say, we have got the gem codes and crystal codes on there as well, which we do love, so we can put them all away like with like. Okay, let's have a look at these. So we'll start at this end with a gorgeous purpley colour there. All nice and clear crystals. Ooh, and a lovely bright contrasting green. I love green and purple together. I just think they just really stand out and make the colours really shine. And then a little bit deeper purple there. And your standard crystally colour. So there's only 4 different crystals, your standard crystals, and everything else is special shapes. So we've got some gorgeous dark purple teardrops there. Some little semi-spheres in the standard gold colour. And then look, we've got some purple flowers. How pretty are they? And hot pink flowers. Yes! I think this one was picked out for me with it having hot pink. And then some, ooh, very elongated marquees there. The silver with iridescent coating. And some pink, not quite hot pink, but very nearly hot pink with an iridescent coating on in your marquees. And then some dark green marquees. Okay, so let's have a look then. So our dark green marquees are the leaves. Our pink marquees with the iridescent coating are the flowers. And then these elongated ones here, are all on this, they're all on this flower look. So it's going to really make it shine. Now, when you get a silver with an iridescent coating, it tends to pick up the background colour. So they won't necessarily look silvery when they're on the canvas. They will pick up the purple and pinks around them and just shine out. Very pretty. And then, is that number 8 or is that number 7? That is number 8. So we're all hot pink in this corner and hot pink up here. And then the purple ones are number 7. Yeah, they're number 7. So where is number 7? Oh, just on her little headband here. So the hot pink ones are all around the edges, and then the purple ones are just on her little headdress there. But, couldn't you just squidge those little knees? Oh, she's so pretty. Wow. And the price of this one is $5.39, which is round about the £4-ish mark. So, yeah, great price. Okay, and don't forget with those special offers on as well, you only need to buy 6 paintings to get 8% off, or 6 items, should I say, to get 8% off. So, yeah. Okay. So we'll just pop her to one side for one moment. Sounds like the children from our next door neighbours are out playing. So if you hear any screaming and laughing, it's just the kids next door. They're not asleep like our little fairy. Okay, let's have a look at this one and see what they've sent us. Right, where is the opening? Come on, open up. There it is. Okay. So let's have a look. I've not had one in a box in a bag. So let's open it up that way. Oh, it's both ways, so we'll have to open it that way. Right. Oh, gosh, look at that. Wow. Wow. So, yeah, that's everything. Okay, so we have a large circle with, it looks like a tree, a little bit like a tree of life, but it's actually, is it the seasons or is it just, yeah, it's like a stained glass effect. And then we've got this lovely twisted tree. So I was thinking, is it the 4 seasons? But I'm not quite sure. Because these look a little bit snowflakey, but they wouldn't really be with the green tree, would they? So could be like a tree of life maybe. But it's very, very pretty. Wow, that's going to look stunning once it's done. And we have these gems, these larger gems going all the way around the outside of it as well. So if you're hanging it as a sun catcher, these are really going to pick up the colours if you hang it in a window or something. Coming through from the daylight, that's going to be very, very pretty. Wow, look at that. So it's double-sided, so you do have your pattern on the back as well. So this one does have a dust and a scratch cover on the back, just a piece of your cover paper, so that, yeah, you'll just peel that off once it's done. I am enjoying these diamond painting projects now and hangers where you've got the picture mirrored on the back as well, so it doesn't matter which way you hang it. If you hang it in your window, then you're going to have the gorgeous diamond paint inside, and you'll get all the sparkle and everything coming through. But also the people on the other side of the window have a picture to look at as well, so it's not just a plain back, or it's not just the reverse of this painting that you're seeing, which would still have like numbers and letters and things on. You are actually seeing a picture as well, so you're getting like a double one there. I know there's no diamond painting on this. I mean, if you wanted to, you could diamond paint that side as well. If you've got enough gems left over, or you've got enough spare gems, you could add some on. But I do like the idea that, you know, you've got the picture on the back. I'm really enjoying these as they're coming through like this. Obviously, if you're wanting to put it on a wall, then you wouldn't want it double-sided anyway, so you have got that choice still of either hanging it with your hanging chain that comes with your kit, or you can actually say put a command strip on and actually pop it onto your wall. So yeah, but that is very, very pretty. Gorgeous colours on it. Looks like we've got lots of teeny tiny teardrops, all those flowers in all those different colours. We'll have a look at the gems in a second, but yeah, I think we're going to be putting lots of little teeny tinies on this one. Okay, we've got Pendant wax, and we've got our nice hanging chain there as well. Pop those out the way. Okay, so it's got the basic clasps on it. They're like a lobster claw, but yeah, just the piece. And oh, actually, it's not too long a chain either, so it's not going to hang too far down, is it? That's quite good. Right, let me grab my tape measure. It's quite a large one, this one, actually. Yeah, we're just about 25 centimetres, 9 3/4 inches across. So yeah, it's a good size. You know, quite a few of them are a bit smaller, aren't they? But this is a very good size, liking that. Oh, let's give the chain a measure as well. Let's have a look how long the chain is. So, I'll go from end to end. And we are, 40-ish centimetres, about 15 3/4 inches. So, yeah, not too bad a chain at all. Very, very nice. So, yeah, it's just your basic chain there as well. But, yeah, quite a nice heavy one as well. Nice quality. Right, let's have a look at these gems and see what we've got. Okay. Oh, and the price of this one is $13.68. So you're going to be around about 11, just over £11-ish mark. So, oh, look at all the specials. Oh, look at all the teeny tinies. Right, so how many colours are we? 8, 9, 10. Oh, 14. Yeah, usually they get to 9 and then they put letters on, but this one actually does say up to 14. Which it does say on there, Liz. Duh. Okay, so we've got a bronzy colour there, and a gold colour, like a honey gold, and a very pale pink. Oh, and not many of those. Is that a standard silver, or is that... I don't think we've got the gem codes. No, there's no gem codes on this. I think that one's a standard silver. And then a lemony gold colour, and then... Oh, wow! So we've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and not very many at all of your standard crystals. Wow. And then everything else is... So the next 7 are all your special drills. So we've got the lemon colour going all the way around the edge. So a lovely sort of sunny lemony yellow colour going all the way around the edge of the painting. And then we have a teeny tiny aqua blue teardrops, and teeny tiny green teardrops, and teeny tiny hot pink teardrops. Yay, we've got a hot pink. And a teeny tiny orange teardrops, And then we're on to the big ones. We've got some large rounds in green and some large round semi-sphere pearls with an iridescent coating on in a pale blue. And then we've got a dark blue round and an amber coloured round. So I think you can see where all the round ones go. So we've got number 14 is your amber colour. And we've got 4 of those and we only need 2. And then number 13. Oh, so even though we only need 1, we've got an extra spare. That's good. I do like spares. Number 12 is your blue. So again, we've got quite a few spares. And number 11 is your green. Okay, and then you can see on the green, we've got the teeny tiny teardrops, and the blue, and the pink, and the orange. So yeah, it's going to take quite a bit to do in this one. It's a quicker than a sort of full drill painting to do, but it's just quite intricate with those little teeny tinies. And yeah, but it's going to look really, really effective. Wow, I do have a video on how I put down the little teeny tiny teardrops. So if you do check out the hints and tips in my playlists, you will get to see how I place the teeny tiny teardrops. Yeah, because it's a case of trying to get hold of them and then getting them the right way around to put them down. So yeah, I've just got a little technique that I use, but obviously we all have our own ways, and some people use tweezers to do it as well. So yay! Pop these away, and I'll put the chain in with those there. Right, so huge thank you Onedaysaving for sending me these. I do love them. I think they're absolutely marvellous. So we've got our gorgeous little baby girl there, our little flower fairy. Oh, she just looks so serene. Butter wouldn't melt. I wonder if she's a little girl that's just a little bit naughty, but gets away with it because she's so cute. I'm sure her grandma would let her get away with it. Or maybe that's just me. And then our gorgeous tree hanging decoration. That is absolutely wonderful. Yeah, Suncatcher. You can definitely see why that's going to catch the sun when it's hung up. That'll look really effective. Very, very pretty. And I say it's going to take some doing with all those teeny tinies, but it will look really, really good when it's done. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. As I say, huge thank you Onedaysaving. I love them both. Thank you for choosing them for me. It's wonderful. If you have enjoyed looking at these, then as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family, see these completed, see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up. So you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Don't forget to check out all those special offers on Onedaysaving as well. You can save anything from 8% up to 20%. Yay! We like money off. Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.